Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device, and in here make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, go to your profile by tapping on the profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, now again at the upper right corner, tap on the three-line menu and then again tap on settings and privacy. That will lead you to this page, and in there tap on privacy. Here you will get all your privacy settings. Now if you want your account to make a private account, simply turn on the first toggle and then your account will get private. If you are under the age of 16, your account will be automatically switched into private account. Now under that, activity status, when you turn that on, you or your followers will see each other activity. If you want that, simply turn on that toggle and again scroll down. There it says suggest your account to others. If you tap on there, this says how your account will get suggested to others. If you tap on contact, you can sync your contact or Facebook friends or people who open or send links to you. So this is how you can suggest your accounts to others. Now again go back. You can also sync your contacts and Facebook friends as well. For that, tap on the option that says sync contacts and Facebook friends. And under that, in interaction section, you can customize all your interactions such as comments, mentions and tags, direct message, story and all the other. You can simply customize that according to you. So this is how you can fix your privacy settings, and I hope this video helped you. Do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.